As you guys can see, this looks exactly like the Rugged Ridge Amfib Snorkel. However, this was a fraction of the price. This was $170 shipped through Alibaba. So I'm not sure if it's actually through the manufacturer that manufactures it for Rugged Ridge and shipped directly to me. I'm not entirely sure. However, it is the exact same design. You can see the fit and finish as far as that looks actually pretty good. So you can see I'm running it in the high setup here. My only complaint for at least this kit, usually the other ones come with a black hose clamp. I'll just have to get a black one. It came with a stainless one. But you can run this in the low configuration as well. They give you this other piece, just like the Rugged Ridge setup, and it looks really good. The installation was actually pretty quick. You do have to do one modification that we will talk about, but essentially it's just taking a few things apart. So this is not a how to install video. There's a ton of those already on YouTube. Great ones if you want to check them out. But the installation is super easy. You do have to remove the grill and this one support bar, so you can get to these screws back here to remove some of the air duct inlet. Other than that, it's as simple as removing the air box. That's pretty much all you do. And you have to modify the bottom of the factory air box to put in a little valve for water drainage. I'll put a photo up on screen for that. And then you also plug some additional holes that are there as well. Other than that, this is what it looks like fully installed. You can see, obviously, you know, the air is coming up all the way down through this tube. This right here is a tight fit, and it is a little bit of a pain with these silicone boots to install. But, you know, once you kind of get the hang of it, it's not too bad. That's the only thing that's kind of annoying about this system. If you need to get the battery out or get the fuse box, this is going to be in the way and you will have to remove that. So that is a little bit of a negative as far as this system goes. But my initial research, it looks, and as far as I can tell, functions exactly like the Rugged Ridge, which is like a $800 or $900 system. So you're getting that for a fraction of the price. And I would say that it is a worthy upgrade. Not that I don't plan, you know, on taking the Jeep up to water levels up to there, but it is nice to know that at least I have that ability to do so if needed. And I think everything should be sealed as far as this goes. I haven't done a test or anything like that yet, but my initial thoughts for the price is that it is very good and worth picking up. There are also some other Amazon versions of these for actually a little bit cheaper than what I paid, around 130 to 150. I'll put a link down in the description for those if you guys want to check those out. There are some mixed reviews on those as well. So this is essentially the knockoff Rugged Ridge system, or like I said, I don't know if it's the actual Rugged Ridge manufacturer in China or how that works. It could be, but yeah, it looks pretty good. It functions obviously pretty good, and you're getting it for a very, very fraction of the price. So I think that's the biggest thing. I don't think anybody wants to spend $800 or $900 for a snorkel system for their Jeep.